In today's episode, we're diving into something that sounds like science fiction, but it's already becoming science fact. Picture this: a busy factory floor, robots moving, conveyor belts humming, sensors buzzing, all talking to each other wirelessly. Now imagine if the very walls of that factory could help boost those wireless signals. Sounds wild, right? Here's the big question. What if our surroundings could help networks think smarter and connect better? Well, that's exactly what a team of researchers explored in their project called ORIX, short for Orchestration of Reconfigurable Intelligent Surfaces with xApps. Let's unpack that mouthful. At its heart, this research is about making wireless networks inside factories more reliable, flexible, and smart. In modern manufacturing, even a small network delay could stop a robot arm or mess up an automated process. That's where Reconfigurable Intelligent Surfaces, or RIS, come in. Think of RIS as smart mirrors for wireless signals. Instead of reflecting light, they reflect radio waves, and they can do it intelligently. These panels can steer signals around obstacles like machines, walls, or even other robots. So, even if your line of sight is blocked, your data still gets through smoothly. Pretty clever, right? Now, combine that with ORAN, which stands for Open Radio Access Network. It's like the open source version of how mobile networks are built: flexible, customizable, and ready for innovation. Together, RIS and ORAN form the perfect duo. ORIX brings them together using small software tools called xApps, which act like mini control centers that tell the RIS panels how to behave. The result? Factories that can adapt their wireless environment in real time. Instead of building expensive test setups, ORIX lets engineers simulate and test these smart surfaces in realistic factory conditions before installing anything. It's like a digital twin for wireless performance, testing every angle, every signal bounce, and every optimization trick to get the best results. And the impact goes beyond just factories. This could redefine how we design wireless networks everywhere, from hospitals to airports, wherever reliable connections are a must. So the next time you walk into a factory, or even your office, and your signal stays strong despite all the metal and walls, remember, maybe the walls are helping out too. That's all for today on the R&D Lab. Thanks for listening. And here's something to ponder before our next session. If our environments can become intelligent and adaptive, what other everyday surfaces could soon start thinking with us? Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the future of engineering.